Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Malayala. In this particular video, I am going to clarify about few doubts which many of the students are having in the comment section. So that is the reason I am making this video. So first will the choices be logged automatically? So according to the schedule, October 25th, that is today 5 p.m. is the last date for choice filling, and date and time is for choice filling. After that, so from yesterday itself, locking option is open, and those who wanted to log the choices, they can log by themselves, or else they can also just leave like that. Automatically the options will be logged by itself only. So if you don't lock also, choices will be logged. So whatever choices are there according to their deadline 5 p.m. by 5 p.m. those choices will be taken into consideration. So after that you can't make any changes to it. So make sure you fill the choices as soon as possible and properly, don't do any mistakes. So that is why they give you the mock allotment. So now coming to the second thing, after mock round allotment 2, after you got one X option, so below that X option, if you feel that there are some options which you really like, which you really want to get into those options, I mean for example those branch or those college, and you wanted to give preference to that based on before this particular X option, bring all those options and keep it above the X option, so that even if you get X option again in the main actual round, so you will be having a chance called float, right? So when you choose float, what happens, it only just sees the above options, not the below options, right? So in that case, even if you get as those below options you kept it above the X option, so if you get X option in the actual round, again you will be having a chance of getting above options if you keep float. So this is how you can make necessary changes to your choices before 5 p.m. today. So extension is not yet announced, it's not in our hands. To just be prepared that 5 p.m. is the deadline. Practice until you are perfect with Unacademy T20 Chess Champion Test Series. 30 questions, 20 minutes, win Amazon vouchers and scholarships. And enroll now using the link and my code Charan YD. It's totally free test. And head start your IDJE preparation with guidance from top rankers and educators. October 30, Excel webinar, 10 a.m. to 1:15 p.m. So preparation strategies, counseling, academic planning and more you will get from top educators and rankers. And you can also enroll for this particular session through the link in the description and my code Charan YD. And these are all the topics which they are going to discuss in that particular Excel webinar on October 30, 10 a.m. to 1:15 p.m. So you can check the sessions over there based on your class. And crash course for JEE Mains 2022 2.0 is starting from 27th October. If any one of your friends are going to take a drop year for JEE Mains, so you can suggest them this particular batch and faculty. These are all the faculty they are going to teach for that particular batch. And this is for dropper JEE Mains and Advanced 2.0 Excel batch. So this is the faculty who is going to teach that particular batch, which is Excel batch 2.0, which is also starting from 27th October. So you can suggest the people who wanted to take drop year, you can suggest this particular batch to them. And these are some Unacademy champions of JEE Advanced 2021. You can just see the ranks over there from starting from year 22, and we have got till year 1029.